I didn't realize that just the little grass outside would cause so much. Like, at least I know of, don't really have, I don't really have like plant allergies. But it's definitely picking up right now. Like, maybe it's just because it's like the beginning of fall and everything. Oh. All the like pollen is just like going everywhere. I don't know, but I don't know. I normally don't see this much when it comes to plants. I normally don't see this much like at all, really. Like, I don't normally have a reaction to like stuff like dander or cats, but this grass is like really